Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Tahoe key fob. Before we begin, it is crucial to gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Also, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent any interruptions during the process. Having your owner's manual handy can also provide specific details for your particular model. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed and unlocked. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately after, locate the door unlock button on the driver's side door panel. You will need to press and hold this button down for the next step. This sequence prepares your vehicle for programming. Now, while still holding the door unlock button, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and then quickly back to on. As soon as the vehicle locks and unlocks, you can release the door unlock button. Immediately grab the key fob you wish to program. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for about 15 seconds. The vehicle will confirm successful programming by locking and unlocking again. To finalize the programming process, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This action will exit the vehicle's programming mode. Remove the key from the ignition. Now, it is time to test all of your key fobs, including any old ones that were reprogrammed. Walk around the vehicle and confirm that every button on each fob functions correctly. Congratulations, your key fobs are now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.